Mercedes-AMG GT Coupes. Powerful appearance and timeless elegance, with a muscular rear end, wide track and large wheels, the Mercedes-AMG GT Coupe is in the starting blocks. But this dynamic racing symbiosis of sophisticated driving dynamics and purebred motorsport is not solely a visual eye-catcher. The Mercedes-AMG GT combines the fascination of an authentic sports car with segment-specific technology leadership and superb everyday practicality. With a top speed of 312 km per hour and an acceleration from 0 to 100 km per hour in 3.8 seconds, the Mercedes-AMG GT is the ideal fit for a sporty lifestyle. The Mercedes-AMG GT expresses the essence of the performance brand AMG.
Something a little bit different from the light white that we had last year, so we did decide to go with a matte black in the front and rear, and then use the original color in the middle. And then I wanted to throw triangles at it, but he wanted to do squares, and then we said, you know what, let's just do these octagons, which ended up being like a honeycomb, and
they look really nice.
Yeah, and then we threw in the splash of gold here and there just to match the calipers, the center caps, the wing risers.
No, you guys did a wicked job on it.
Yeah,
the
I love
rims
it.
are too. What kind of rims are they? I know they're Vorsteiners.
These are Vorsteiners, yeah.
What kind of, you know, the model on
yeah, I think these are BSC 003s.
Ooh, wow,
yeah,
really
20 front, 21 rear, 20 by 12 rears.
Let's go take a look at the back, man. I like it's a nice shape. I always like the shape of these cars. I always want to see them on the highway or on the road, man. It's a really nice thing. With this car being the third best in line now, it used to be #1, now it's slowly making its way down to the bottom, but even though it's still a badass car.
Yes, absolutely.
So how much horsepower do you think it has on it?
We're probably maybe 625 to the wheels. Nothing crazy, but the car's light and it uses power well, so.
Well, definitely. I really like the way everything goes around this car.
Yeah, a lot of Rentec carbon pieces on it too. Got the Rentec front splitters, Rentec rear diffuser, Rentec rear wing, which is actually not installed right now, but it's getting repaired.
Well, definitely.
But yeah.